Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. On this Kdenlive tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily change a mono track over to a stereo track. So this is a situation where a lot of your sound is coming out on one side of your speakers, or all of the sound is only coming out on one side of your speaker. And this usually occurs because you're using like a mono microphone. So this is the case for me. So let me show you how this sounds. So I have my clip down here in my project timeline, and here in Kdenlive you could go here to your audio mixer so you can actually see the audio. So there's a left channel and a right channel, and what you'll notice is most of the sound is coming out of the left channel and the right channel is really low. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this. As a YouTube content creator, you're just so busy. So you can see there practically all the sound is coming out on the left side of the speaker. Now if you were listening to this on the earphones, you might not be able to tell a difference, but if you're just listening to this on external speakers, you'll notice that practically all the sound is on the left side and you'll probably hear nothing on the right side. So the easy way to fix this is you're going to use an effect, and it's called copy channel. So all you have to do is go here to your effects tab and go here to the audio effects, and then you're going to choose this drop down for audio correction, and there's this thing called copy channels. So all you have to do now is double click on it, and now the audio copy channel effect is on. And when you play this, focus on creating videos, growing your channel. What you'll notice is the same audio is copied from one channel over to another, and now you effectively have a stereo track with the same sound. Now there are other things that you could do. You could actually swap it. So if you clicked on this right here, it actually reverses it. That at times, so now it's going to stay on the right side, is going to be higher, and then the left side is going to be lower. And you can also do other things, like you can adjust the levels. So right here, and if you probably notice, it kind of messes things up. So typically for me, all I have to do is just use the default. In this case, it's going to be 1. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. It's probably a lot easier for me to start over. So I'll just leave it at the default. And if for some reason it doesn't sound correct, I'll go ahead and change these numbers around or do a swap. And that's all I have to do. But typically for me, once I use the audio effect, it does everything I think are exactly the way that I want it. And that's how you would actually create a stereo track from a mono track. Super easy to do. And it's very helpful for a lot of people who might have some mono tracks and they're really not sure how they can fix this easily. Well, Kdenlive offers you the solution right here. For all your email marketing needs, check out Aweber, the premier service news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get signed up today for free and also get 100% free complete account migration. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you convert a mono track to a stereo track, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my Kdenlive tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.